Yo, I'm about to expose the game. I haven't showed y'all the pattern in a while because always we've been in a downtrend, but I'm about to show y'all again and make sure y'all understand this. And that's how I'm trying to explain to y'all how easy it is to read these charts. And y'all better like, comment, and subscribe on this thing now. Help a brother out. But anyways, we see the information right here, right? Boom. Always drops down. The left, excuse me, the left leg of the W usually is lower than the right leg. So we go up, boom. Level 1, that's usually out the first dub, right? Back where it started. And level 2 will be out above the initial gap. And then level 3 will be the peak formation, and that's when it resets. And also, notice how the way I use the EMAs. You know, it's literally that easy. And this is on the daily chart now. The daily chart. I'm going to show you another one. On the weekly chart. Let me zoom out. This is gonna blow your mind now. Alright. So right here, when Bitcoin first started, as y'all can see, this is actually a W. And also they made it into a bull flag. Come up. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, peak formation. And then it continues on. But you see how the way it looks differently on the weekly chart? But now look at this though. On the monthly chart. Now you see it's the same thing now. But it looks differently on the monthly chart when it started off. Because you see it don't look too much like the bull flag. But I mean, you can generally see the W, the level 1, level 2, peak formation. In this peak formation particularly, it turned to another M formation, into another W formation. Level 1, level 2, see out the second gap, back to where it started, out the second gap, level 3, peak formation. And it went right back into another W. As you can see, boom. This is an extremely large W, and this is a head and shoulders, which is a variation of a M formation, because it's still an M, you know what I'm saying, technically on the right hand side, and it's going to turn into another W, and this will be level 1 to the new repeated cycle. This is how I know, I'm telling you why it has to come down here, and it has to have a wick like this one right here, to recover all the candlesticks, because they ain't leaving no money on the table. You know how greedy they are. And it's all right here. You can see it all. I'm going to go back to the 4-hourly though, show you what's happening with Bitcoin. As y'all can see, we already came up, hit the 50 EMA, and then shot down like I mentioned in my previous video. And now basically, we can just be in this general zone until we hit this 20 EMA. And then we're flying down to $10,000. So this is about to be that, you know what I'm saying, that 45 to 65% move at any point in time, and it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be fast, so y'all gotta get ready to that. So basically, I mean, I don't expect this thing to get up nowhere. You know what I'm saying? It's not going up to $21,000, nothing. I mean, it's gonna stay in the general area, just waiting to make its move to fake people out and drop in the market. And it's Sunday now. I mean, and then Monday, we already know Monday just wilding. I mean, it's definitely, you know what I'm saying, about to be some stuff. But anyways, as you can see, we already got 3 taps to the low with this inverted head and shoulders formation right here, right? We came up, so we came back down. You see the EMAs. Once they crossed, went right back down. But anyways, we see the first drop, boom, the second drop. We may get, like I said, we may get a little move up, but like I said, not over $21,000. Just to tap this 20 EMA one more time on the daily. That's a possibility. And then after that, I mean, like I said, 1 drop, 2 drop, the third drop, which would be this candlestick that needs to forcefully go through this support level right here, because it's clearly supported 19,000, as you can see, and we're gonna need a candlestick like this that's gonna shoot way past 19,000. That one may be the one that's gonna go from 19,000 to 14,000, and that's just for that day. It will be a candlestick coming soon. Like I say, after hit the 20 EMA one more time, it's going to be around 20,000 to 14,000 in one day. and then it will continue to go down to 10,000 for the rest of the week. And this is how I expect that to happen. Like I said, once we get down 19,000, it's going to be a sharp drop down to 10,000 to complete this overall head and shoulder formation, because I always have to stop where it started at, and clearly started there at $10,000. Reason I say 14,000 for support. You see the way this came up here, resistance, boom. And you see the doji. Let me take this off for a second. See the doji right here, all that, and you can see to the right, which is right here, clear resistance. So I got 14,000, and that's how I know that's where that candlestick going, and that's going to be a steep drop. And of course, like I always say, the altcoins is going to get thrashed. I mean, Bitcoin looking at a 30-40% drop, they could easily be looking at a 60, 70, 80, or they might even scam you. Who knows? And I'm just being real. You might look at that thing, it's down 500%. I mean, what can you do about it? But I'm just saying, that is a likelihood. And on the weekly chart, though, as you can see, like I told y'all before, we already below the 100 EMA, and we got rejected by the 20 EMA. There is nothing holding it back at all. And also, when we get down here to $10,000, like I project the low to be right here, the close of this candlestick right here, at $5,300. But I'm gonna say $5,500 to keep it simple. And then we will see a sharp recovery. It's gonna be a candlestick just like this. You see this wick right here, right? Of course, Bitcoin wasn't that expensive, but you know what I mean. This thing at $5,300. You know, and went down 3,800. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's a large wick compared to everything else we usually see. But the wick is gonna be like that from 10,000. You know what I'm saying? The $5,300, which is just about the same, you know, as it is here. It's literally doing the same thing. We're in this exact same motion, as y'all can see from the last pattern. We up here and boom, see the head and shoulders. Boom, but it basically restarted. There's even another pattern right here too. See the M to the dub, 1, 2, fake you. Yeah, they fake you sometime, but that's how you know when you usually get in. But anyways, here you see the EMAs, but it didn't go past resistance. But basically, we come down here to recover these candlesticks. Like I say, sharp recovery back up to 14,000. So this is a move you may really want to get into. A move from 5,300 to 14,000, and that can be within a week. It could be in a day, because whenever that happens, it is going to be called the flash crash, because it's going to rebound. The crashes we having now is not going to rebound like that. That last drop, because basically you look, we got rejected by the 20 MA right here on a weekly, right? One time, boom. Second time, boom. Third time, like I always tell y'all, market makers love doing things by threes. After we come down here to $10,000, and I believe we'll come back up to 14,000, like I showed y'all, because there's already resistance. I believe that's when we're going to super crash. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the flash crash going to happen. It's right then. And the reason why I say that, because in the overall pattern on the monthly chart, it literally has to recover these candlesticks, like I say, $5,300. And it has to close above $10,000 in order to validate this pattern. And if it doesn't, that just means everything is over and done with forever, to be honest. But, you know what I mean? But I doubt that's going to happen. But like I said, we'll have a close above $10,000 in that month. And then basically, whenever that happens, we have a close above 10,000. I mean, it's all a go. It is all a go. But like I said, I believe it's going to come to 14,000. Come back down, go a little closer. Like I say, go back to 14,000, come back down, and then bounce off 10,000 one more time to make an inverted head and shoulders. As you can see, that's what it's gonna basically look like. And then, you know, smooth selling from there, and we'll be right back where we started. But yep. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.